get involved today. I'm fucking fixing
Here comes Dave to the rescue. To help us pull this heap of shit out so we can live another day. Live to die another day.
I said go up. I said go up. Yep. Perfect, Dave. Oh no, fuck no. Awesome. I didn't ride over there home. I didn't know how the house phone is. I have 3 fucking helmets for all lots of I normally do, but yeah, over here.
I guess that's where she's gonna sit for a bit. Good work so far. Yeah, that's where we'll leave the truck too. Sitting. Safe spot. Out of the way. Still running. Starting to get there. Put the hatch down, or his fucking tailgate, and it won't go back up, son of a bitch. Oh well, next time. We'll get you next time.